Good morning, y'all. Happy Thursday. All right, so today we are actually going to do pancakes. Somebody asked last week what we do for pancakes here at the house, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Okay, so we use the Pamela's pancake mix. I actually had a friend who's a chef show me this brand that said that their family loved it the best. And we have tried several other brands. Hello, Lee. How are you? You like pancakes? We all do, right? And we tried a couple different brands, and this is the brand, it's gluten-free, that the kids, and thank you, you too, like the best. And it's super yummy. And I actually got some of my family converted to it too, that they were like, ooh, we were out of town on a trip. Yeah, I know, we all love pancakes. So we were out of town on a trip, and I was in charge of making a breakfast meal one morning, and I brought these, and they were all like, ooh, these are really good. So they switched over. I think I have found it's easier to go with this pre-made mix for the gluten-free instead of mixing all my own flours. And my kids are old enough they can make their own breakfast. So what's funny is as I was setting this stuff out, we actually had pancakes for dinner last night, but they keep a measuring cup in here so they can always just make their own pancakes all the time. So, all right, and it's so easy. So we're just gonna need a cup, which since there's already a cup in here, since they used it last night, we're gonna throw in 1 cup of our mix. And then we're just gonna need, let's see, I'll do this olive oil, or not olive, avocado, sorry. It's avocado. Go with avocado oil here. A tablespoon of that. And you just need there's no order. Just mix it all in. The recipe's on the back of the box too. So I'll show you what I do one thing different. 1 egg. And then 2/3 of a cup of water. Let me step over here and grab some water. All right, so, and then our other cup. So 2/3 cup of water, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. All right, and then let's mix that for a second with your little whisk. Give it a good little mix. I think when you come to baking, everything, and I've talked about this before, needs Mexican vanilla. Don't go with the stuff, and it's expensive too at the grocery store, those little bottles. That stuff, it's not great, and the alcohol content is higher and it smells like it worse. This is way better. I just get this at Fiesta. And I always say you just pour a little there. Sorry, I hope I didn't freeze. There's a thing that popped up. Okay, so I have this enormous griddle. I can't get it in the screen, but it's huge. We had one, you know, when you get married, you get like these registries. And we had one for about, I don't know, 13 years, and it broke. And it took me a while to find another enormous one because we're a family of 6. So we need a big griddle to cook all of our pancakes on. So this is what I found. I found it at Macy's like 2 years ago when the other one broke. All right. So pancakes, we actually had pancakes for dinner last night because my little Jax was in charge of dinner and he wanted pancakes. He won a thing. We did like a little workout challenge and he won. So he got to pick dinner. So he picked pancakes. So we had pancakes for dinner last night. You can't go wrong with breakfast for dinner, right? Lily, do you like breakfast for dinner? And we kind of make our pancakes, oh gosh, like, let me measure. We like them, I don't know, bigger than my palm, like to my index finger. We don't do like little bite-sized ones. And every now and then we try to get creative with the kids and do like shapes. That's fun. Sometimes breakfast for dinner. Well, we had that last night. They had some pancakes and eggs and all of that jazz. Which is funny because we had pancakes last night, so they ate all the syrup. So we don't have any pancake or any syrup for pancakes this morning. But I told y'all before, for syrup we use maple syrup. You want to get that big old jar of pure maple syrup, not the other stuff.
We have them.
Okay. Let me grab mine. So I'll tell you, we have so my kids, like I said, we like to make fun shapes. So when we do a fun shape that's huge, I got this ginormous, like it's bigger than my face just about, spatula. But for everyday size pancakes, just a normal spatula is what we use to flip. So what I like about this Pamela's blend is it's so easy. My kids literally make it like a couple times a week. And they love it, and I don't have to worry because it's not full of sugars and refined flours and stuff. All right, so when they start to bubble, just like normal pancakes, you're gonna give them a flip. So you having a good day, Mr. Lee? Anything fun and exciting going on? Did you get any snow? Oh my goodness, my kids were so excited about the potential snow day we almost had Monday. But good, pretty good so far. Well, I'm glad. Okay, they are almost done. That's the great thing about pancakes. It goes back to, I popped on the other day and said, we were having a late night Tuesday because my boys play rugby, and so we're there at the field all night for that with the two boys. And so I didn't plan ahead and didn't have dinner done, so we ran to the grocery store to grab rotisserie chicken. This is another one of those, like, you didn't have time to plan and you need a quick meal. Breakfast is always a good one for dinner. It's quick, especially these pancakes. I mean, it's fast, super quick. Which, if you watch the Medical Monday, Dr. Gabby and Lonnie were talking about part of the pyramid is eating healthy. So continue to find nutritious things that are still healthy and quick on those days or mornings that you need something like that. All right, so our pancakes are ready. So because we don't have any, maple syrup, my husband actually prefers honey. So we just usually buy some local, you want to get like that pure wildflower honey, especially in your area, because that helps like with allergies and certain things. They always say seasonal stuff is if the honey is within your region of flowers. So we will put honey on our pancakes today because that's what we have, and honey works too. And my husband and I always think it's funny. I don't know how many of my kids are converted to the honey on there, but there you go. We have pancake with honey. Jax, you want to have it?
Yeah. All
right. Jax you want to come over here? Jax is my helper helping with the camera this morning. You got to come and screen over here.
Right.
What you think, bud? These are like their new favorite thing. So yeah, just like Dr. Gabby and Lonnie talked about Monday, is doing those eating healthy and food and emotional thing. All those things are so important. I know, so yummy, huh, Lee? What you think, Jax?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, huh? Yep, you're gonna eat these again this morning. You had last night, I'll have them again this morning. And then, let me set these over here. And then, okay, you guys don't forget also, this is great for your 30-day challenge we're doing at the office. So make sure you're doing those. You're getting your 10-minute walk in or your 10-minute exercise and eating healthy, staying away from those fried foods. Those are bad for you. Hey, Christy. And eating more nutritious things. So on the days you do want something, pancakes kind of fit that bill of like, they seem unhealthy, but you can go this route. It's a better option. So you guys have a great, Thursday, and I will see you next week. All right, bye.